If you are sitting around waiting for big, amazing clients to magically discover you online right now, I need you to stop that thought process immediately. The reality is you need to engineer a precise VantagePath to proactively hunt down the exact businesses that desperately need your specific AI skills. Right now, thousands of us businesses understand that AI integration is no longer optional. It is a competitive necessity for staying relevant in the market. However, their biggest problem is an absolute lack of clarity on who they can actually trust to implement this complex technology effectively. This widespread uncertainty creates the perfect immediate opportunity for you to step in as the trusted expert with an undeniable demonstration of value. Forget sending out those bland, boring emails that scream, "Please hire me," because those are instantly deleted by every busy CEO. Instead, we are implementing the value-first strategy by generating a custom, high-quality AI product photo for one of their existing items. Before we ever ask for a meeting, you will visually present them with a stark before versus after comparison, showcasing exactly what your specific skills can do for their bottom line. This simple, one-piece demonstration acts as irrefutable proof of your capabilities, instantly cutting through all their preconceived notions about risk. Now that the value is established, it is time to open up the MacBook and automate the outreach build for maximum efficiency. We are utilizing powerful platforms designed to scrape and verify contact data, targeting a list of 100 relevant e-commerce CEOs to start. Crucially, your outreach script, which I call the VantagePath script, must pivot away from service descriptions and focus purely on the desired outcome for them. Every single word in that initial contact must be laser-focused on the specific problem you solve, saving their valuable time and demonstrably cutting operational costs. When they finally reply with that magic word, "Yes," your next move is all about cementing the next logical step forward with confidence. You immediately pivot to scheduling a short discovery Zoom call, keeping the energy high and the commitment low for their initial response. During that call, you establish your minimum viable engagement, which we are defining as the Starter AI Bundle, to keep things simple. This starter package is your gateway to a long-term relationship and must be priced at a minimum of $1,000 to respect your expertise. Master this system of proving value up front, automating the search and commanding your worth, and that first $1,000 client is absolutely inevitable.